On top inside Edo today, Governor Godwin Obaseki don swear in new chief judge for Edo State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don swear in new chief judge for Edo State, Honorable Justice Esther Edigin, as substantive chief judge, as this one followed the retirement of Honorable Justice Esoye Ikponwe from State Public Service.
I, Edigin Esther, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. Oath of office. I, Edigin Esther, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Chief Judge of Edo State High Court, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully, and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Congratulations. We now have a new senator.
Governor Godwin Obaseki talks say the swearing in na im be the number 7 of the chief judge for the state, as Edo don still record ogbonge history. E con salute Edo state judiciary system, sake of say dem never record anything like suspension or say dem pursue any judge for Nigeria Judiciary Council, as e con tell other Judiciary Council officers say make dem copy this style.
Today, as we witness the swearing in of Honorable Justice Esther Edigin as the 7th substantive Chief Judge of Edo State, we are once again making history. Edo State has not recorded any incident of suspension or dismissal of a judge by the Nigerian Judicial Council on account of corruption. This is a worthy record, and one which I implore all judicial officers in the state to maintain.
We can see Governor talk saying sabi the new chief judge, Honorable Justice Edigin, as she don serve for 18 years, and dem swear am in as chief judge for Edo, and he wan make she use her position to see say Edo State tanda well for justice matter. He talk on top the ogbonge achievement wey Edo State don record, as he talk say dem no go fit do all this one if to say judiciary system for Edo State no dey do better collabo with the executive arm of government, as im believe say with the new chief judge, the collabo go come strong well, as this one go help carry Edo State people matter waka far. Governor Godwin Obaseki con use this event to take give the Judiciary Council better cool mind unto the promise wey im give them, say im go see say Edo judiciary dey well, as e be say for im administration dem go continue to see say judiciary officers dem dey live better life and dey work for correct environment, as this one go help Edo State dey well.
Honorable Justice Edigin has faithfully served as a judge on the Edo State High Court for 18 years, and as she is sworn in as Chief Judge today, I urge her to use her elevated position to ensure the speedy dispensation of justice while serving the common man in all affairs. We have recorded huge achievements in the state, none of which would have been possible for the harmonious relationship that has existed between the judiciary and the executive arm of government in Edo State. It is therefore my prayer that the synergy between both arms will grow deeper for the eventual benefits of the good people of Edo State. Democracy is as strong as its judiciary. We will continue to work towards providing judges in Edo State with the most efficient living and working conditions, and we will continue to remain partners in the area of private reforms, yet towards quick dispensation of justice for the common man. My Lord, Honorable Justice Edigin, as you are sworn in today as a substantive Chief Judge of Edo State, I am confident, because I have worked with you over the last few years, that you will strengthen our judiciary. I look up to you, to working with you, to strengthen the magistracy, particularly in Edo State.
Governor Obaseki come talk say make dem do 1 minute silence for new Chief Judge, Honorable Justice Esther Edigin Mama, wey don waka go meet Baba God.
I'd like to call everyone in this hall to rise for 1 minute silence in honor of the mother of our Chief Judge, Pastor a few weeks ago, Mrs. Obaseki.
New Chief Judge for Edo State, Honorable Justice Esther Edigin. She salutes Edo State Governor for the opportunity wey im give am to come serve Edo State as the Chief Judge. As she come salute former Chief Judge of Edo State, Honorable Justice Iponwe, for the support wey im give am for this position. She salute Governor Godwin Obaseki for the ogbonge reforms wey e don do for Edo judiciary system. As her own plan na to see say Judiciary Council welfare for Edo State for one administration e waka well. As she tok say she ready fight corruption for Edo State and e dey good for her body sake of say Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki e no dey give space for corruption matter for the state.
Your Excellency, thank you for swearing me in as the Chief Judge of Edo State. I want to thank my predecessor and 7 brother judges for their support and encouragement up to now. My predecessor, I must appreciate you and recognize you, Honorable Justice. Francis. Your Excellency, while it is my desire to hit the ground running, and while I thank you for what you have done so far for the judiciary, I wish to put on notice and record my intention to prioritize staff welfare under my watch and join in the fight against corruption, for which Your Excellency has zero tolerance.
Honorable Justice Esther Edigin come ask me Governor Godwin Obaseki may continue to the support judiciary system. As e be say she get plan to serve judiciary system well, as she no go use her office to take do mago. She come talk say she sabi what say Edo State Governor na person wey dey respect and dey follow law matter well. As she come talk say this one na im go make them continue to dey tanda the state well. She talk say she sabi the infrastructure develop wey dey shele for Edo State judiciary system and the money wey dem dey release for them for quarter for the year. But she go like me Governor Godwin Obaseki may put eye for the matter well, may Edo State judiciary for the handle their own money, and she go like me this one may they follow Edo State Governor Wake and See project.
I know that Your Excellency believes in the rule of law and also respects it. I am not unaware of the laudable achievements that Your Excellency has in the short period in office brought to the judiciary in terms of infrastructural developments and quarterly financial releases for the current expenditure. However, permit me to urge Your Excellency to give some thoughts to the area of judiciary, handling our own expenditure to complete the process of financial independence for the judiciary in accordance with Section 121, subsection 3 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. May I therefore plead that this be made a part of Your Excellency's Wake and See projects, for which Your Excellency is popularly known.
New Chief Judge for Edo State, Justice Esther Edigin, she talks say she don't ready work well with all the arms of government, as this one go waka well on top the legacy where the former Chief Judge of Edo State, Honorable Justice Iponwe, where he don't put for ground, as she go follow these ones.
To drive and deliver justice to all manner of persons without fear or favor. Above all, I intend to, without toleration, to adhere strictly to the oaths I have subscribed to. I pledge to work in harmony with the other arms of government to ensure effective and speedy delivery of justice and to build on the legacies of my predecessors in ensuring speedy dispensation of justice to all those that practice of our state.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. As Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, he don swear in new Chief Judge for Edo State, that na Honourable Justice Esther Edigin. And this one na to see say law matter for judiciary system for Edo State, e tanda well. Make una come sabi say dis ogbonge and clear informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.